In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a menu on Weebly. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can get your site's navigation set up in just a few minutes. First, open your site editor. Log into your Weebly account, choose the site you want to work on, and click Edit Site. This takes you into the drag and drop builder where you can manage your content and structure. If you're working on a new site, it's totally fine if things look a little empty. The important part is getting the structure right so your visitors can find what they need. Next, head to the Pages area. You'll find a Pages tab at the top of the editor. This is your control center for the navigation. Everything you do here, adding pages, renaming them, nesting them, directly shapes the menu your visitors will see. Think of this as your sitemap in action. Now, add or arrange your pages. Click the option to add a new page, give it a clear name, and choose the type, like a standard page, blog page, or even an external link if you want your menu to point to another website. To organize the order, simply drag and drop pages up or down. The top to bottom order here becomes left to right in most desktop menus. If you want drop-downs, drag a page slightly to the right underneath another page to make it a subpage. That creates a tidy hierarchy, which is perfect for sections like services, products, or resources. While you're naming pages, keep labels short and specific, and avoid duplicates to prevent confusion. If a page should be hidden from the menu, look for visibility options and set it to hidden while still keeping it live for direct links. Here's the best part. The menu updates automatically. As you add, rename, or rearrange pages in the Pages panel, your site's navigation reflects those changes instantly in the editor preview. Depending on your theme, you might see a horizontal menu on desktop and a compact hamburger menu on mobile. Subpages will appear as drop-downs or expandable sections. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish. This pushes your changes live to your domain. After publishing, visit your site like a visitor would. Check the menu on desktop and on your phone to make sure links work, drop-downs behave as expected, and labels fit nicely. If something feels off, jump back into Pages, tweak the order or names, and publish again. That's it. Your Weebly